About this item OE standard, this audio input jack is manufactured to the OE specification to match the appearance of the original auxiliary jack. 4-pin original connector helps ensure a solid, positive connection. Compatible vehicles. This auxiliary input adapter fits for 2005 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner, 2006 to 2008 RAV4, 2007-2010 FJ Cruiser, 2005 to 2009 Prius, 2007 to 2010 Camry, 2008 to 2009 Yaris, 2007 to 2010 Lexus ES350, 2007 to 2012 LS460, replace part number, 861-900-6010, 861-905-3010, please see below detail. Description for the full vehicle list or use Amazon Part Finder to get the proper fitment. Quality assurance. Use premium and durable ABS plastic material to provide long operating life and excellent performance, and provide superior quality, good sound output and stability. No worry, it will fail when you hit a bump in the road. Easy installation, easy to install, plug and play design, easy to take out the circuit board, replacement takes only several minutes, no special tools required. 1 year.